Before any recipe, I like to get all my ingredients all prepped and ready to go, so here they are, just all organized in one box, and I'm just getting them out ready to chop them up. So to start, I'll cut the zucchini into half moon shapes. And next we're going to be dicing the onion. So here I'm just going to chop the ends off and put it in my little trash bowl. I like to use this little trash bowl, it keeps the workspace nice and tidy. And then I throw all the ends of the vegetables into a little bag in my freezer to make a vegetable stock. Now we will be zesting and quartering the lemon. And here we will be chopping up some dried apricots. Next step, mince the garlic. And here we will be draining the liquid off of the garbanzo beans or chickpeas. And here all the ingredients are prepped and ready to go, and we're ready to start cooking. First we'll be making the chermoula sauce. This includes cilantro, olive oil, a pinch of garlic, salt and pepper, and a squeeze of lemon. And here the recipe calls for jalapeno, but I didn't have any fresh and I didn't feel like chopping the ones in my freezer, so I'm just going to use a pinch of cayenne instead. This is only my second time making this type of sauce, but I love it. It brings a nice bright herbiness to these kind of recipes. So next we'll be making the lemony sour cream, which will also bring in another nice bright element to this savory dish. This sauce is pretty simple, it's just sour cream, lemon zest, and a little bit of salt. Just mix it up and it's ready to go. Now turn your stove to medium-high heat, and we will be adding a large drizzle of olive oil to a saucepan. Add half your onions. And then cook, stirring until softened. Next, add 2/3 cup of water. Then add half of the stock concentrate. Add a bit of salt. Next, add your couscous. Give that a stir, and then we will be taking that off of the heat. Now get a large pan out and turn the stove to medium-high heat. Add a large drizzle of olive oil, and then we will begin to saute our zucchini. Also add the remaining onions. Now season with salt and pepper. Now add in the Tagine spice and the remaining garlic. Give that a stir before we add 1/3 cup of water, and then we will be adding the chickpeas. Once that liquid has reduced, add 1 tablespoon of butter. And we're done. Here I'll be plating up the couscous, and then next adding the chickpea and zucchini mixture. This recipe was quick, easy, and healthy, but most importantly, delicious, so I hope you give it a try.